look pretty intimidating to a new technician. It's got a newer blower motor put in. But if first thing you want to do is check power, the fan limit switch can be rotated clockwise, and you can hear the power turn on to the blower. Now, provided your blower's not bad, that's a good check for power. This one also happens to have its own little summer button, I guess, so you could just rotate air. I've never known anybody to use that. Sometimes you will have, here, let's shut this off, a door switch. Make sure your bottom door's on if you do. But that's a quick way to test power. Remember, clockwise, you'll hear the click, she'll turn on. It's not 100%, but 9 times out of 10, that's going to work for you to check for power.